The microparticles of artificial aerosols can reflect solar radiation within the atmosphere, achieving rapid cooling through high-altitude spraying. While this temporarily lowers atmospheric temperatures, it accelerates the warming of the oceans, leading to severe fishing disasters and widespread marine life mortality. Artificial aerosols in the atmosphere typically undergo 3 stages. 1. Slow movement in the stratosphere. 2. Rapid descent in the troposphere. 3. Floating and sinking in the oceans. The refraction of solar radiation by aerosols creates radiation heat zones of varying scales in the atmosphere, on the water's surface, and within the water, causing ocean temperatures to rise and resulting in the death of marine life. However, artificial aerosols are not the primary cause of marine disasters. Rather, they are a poorly considered countermeasure within the net zero emission projects, inadvertently accelerating the ocean warming process. Today, the oceans have become Earth's dumping grounds, where toxic waste from the atmosphere, land, and rivers flows, triggering unpredictable chemical reactions in an increasingly hot, acidic, and oxygen-depleted environment. These reactions spread and expand at an alarming rate, forming what is known as oceanic heat spots. Faced with unprecedented massive pollution, addressing individual pollutants one by one is a slow and inadequate approach, consuming vast resources and time. Instead, the focus should be on reactivating the ocean's self-healing capabilities to restore its health. Just as a healthy human body can detoxify, purify, and regenerate, thereby resolving most invasions and injuries, providing high concentrations of oxygen and hydrogen to the ocean could strengthen its life support systems and reactivate its vital functions. We must urgently administer CPR to the oceans. Mass energy conversion technology brings hope. The domino effect of deoxygenation, low hydrogen levels, acidification, high temperatures, and toxic substances in seawater is rapidly pushing the climate towards a critical tipping point. To halt the continued collapse of the marine ecosystem, 2 key actions are essential. 1. Removal of toxic substances. 2. Increasing the concentration of oxygen and hydrogen in seawater. The latest mass energy conversion technology can restructure pollutant molecules and convert them into hydrogen and oxygen, simultaneously addressing 2 major challenges in the domino effect, offering a glimmer of hope for the progress of marine pollution prevention. CRCS Ocean Carbon Pollution Solution. Our technical strategy focuses on 3 principles: remove, convert, and reduction. CRCS represents a groundbreaking negative carbon technology, directly converting CO2 into hydroxyl ions without the need for capture, storage, or chemical transformation. It processes gases, soils, and water bodies, rivers, lakes, dams, and oceans, boasting extensive scalability, high efficiency, low carbon emissions, low material use, no pollutants, and a high recovery rate. To effectively address these challenges, which cover 70% of the Earth's surface, a synchronized implementation of 3 types of installation strategies is essential: fixed site, liquid type, and put-in. Triple overlay effect. Utilizing a combination of fixed, mobile, and deployment frameworks allows for the synchronous treatment of carbon in the sky, soil, and ocean. This integrated approach leverages ocean currents, shipping routes, and a checkerboard network of bases to create the most comprehensive marine carbon removal and conversion model. The health of the oceans directly impacts the Earth's habitability. We must exert our greatest efforts before reaching the critical threshold of extreme climate change, with a key focus on the oceans.